Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we have today's top 5 plants. This is a beautiful double petunia. It is called Surfinia Summer Double Salmon. This color is truly unique. It is a salmony pink color. This is a more compact double trailing petunia. It's more mounding than trailing. Perfect for window boxes, smaller patio pots, and just a little bit smaller planter, or use it as an accent in a larger planter. Petunias love full sun, so a minimum of 6 hours of sunlight touching the leaves in a day to full day sunlight. Great on the east side, the south side, or the west side of your house, somewhere there's lots of sunshine. Double petunias do benefit from a little bit of deadheading, so you can see there's a bloom here that's done, and to take that off, we're actually going to remove the bit of greenery behind it. So we're taking off both the flower and that little piece of greenery. Just give you a look-see at that, and it will encourage your petunia to do more blooming. And the reason we take them off the doubles is because they're just a little bit thicker than a single type of petunia that is a little bit thicker piece of petals there. And yeah, this is a gorgeous petunia. Our second plant for today's top 5 plants is this beautiful Osteo. Look at how pretty this is. So this is really a colored daisy. It's got like almost a neon yellow, like a highlighter yellow in the middle that fades out to orange. I think the kids call that it's not, we used to call it gradient, but now they call it ombre, so I guess it's ombre looking. And there's going to be a ton of buds coming on here. Osteos open in the sunshine and they close up when it's super shady, cloudy, or at nighttime. So make sure this is an area that gets blasted with sunlight. East side is fantastic. It will stay open all day, even on the east side. South side is great too, or the west side. Make sure it has a bit of sun earlier in the day so you get to enjoy those flowers. But that color is stunning. This is an Osteospermum, and we call them Osteos. We have tons of colors of these. Our third plant for today's top 5 is a fuchsia. So fuchsias do fantastic in a shady spot, east side or north side for these. I love this one. It's called Tom West because it has a variegated leaf. So it's got multiple leaf colors. Most fuchsias are just all green. And this one has a very pretty bloom in a pink and purple color. What we love about fuchsias is that they attract hummingbirds, and hummingbirds feed off of their blooms. So you can really enjoy this, not just the flowers, but enjoy the birds that it attracts and as well. Fuchsias actually do pretty good as a houseplant, so if you brought this indoors in the fall, you could probably keep it the whole winter and enjoy it again the next year. And we have quite a collection of fuchsias, but this one really stands out because of the leaf color, and that is called Tom West. So our next choice for today's top 5 is Coral Daisha, and you can just see a bit of blooms here. We were out of stock, but we have these again. This is actually called Towers of Flowers Apricot. And I'm going to show you an even better example of it. I've got a basket here. Let me move this back. This basket is called our Coral Shades basket. It can go in sun or shade, which makes it super versatile. And it has one Daisha in it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This the Daisha, again, we find it does fine in shade to sun. We have it in multiple colors, and this basket is stunning. We put a spike in here, so this basket has things that will spill. It also has things that are tall, so you can take this basket and pop it right into a planter or hang it up as well. And if you take a good look at this coleus, the coleus is our 5th item for today's top 5 plants. It's in the basket, but we also have them in smaller pots. So this is what it looks like right now in a small pot, and this is one coleus in a big pot that's been pinched, so it branches out really nicely. But thanks guys for watching today's top 5 plants.